This morning, Donald Trump facing new limits on what he can say about the historic hush money case that will make him the first former president ever to face criminal trial. Judge Juan Merchan slapping Mr. Trump with a pretrial gag order that bars him from making public statements about potential witnesses, court staff, or jurors. The former president can still direct his anger, as he often does on social media, at the judge and DA Alvin Bragg, a Trump spokesman calling the order unconstitutional.
This is a pure case of voter intimidation and election interference, and it shouldn't be allowed to happen.
With Mr. Trump tied up in court battles, the newly installed RNC co-chair Lara Trump, the wife of his son Eric, says the party has to stay focused on November and embrace some tactics Donald Trump has long derided.
We have to start encouraging Republican voters to do things like voting early, trust mail-in voting. These are ways that we actually can have a big lead as we head into Election Day.
Lara Trump also saying the party will not fund Mr. Trump's legal costs directly, and that donors can opt out of a fundraising system designed to send portions of each donation to an account that pays some Trump legal bills.
How do you tell people who are sending money to the RNC that it's more important to put their money towards paying the legal bills of a billionaire than helping elect Republicans in Pennsylvania or in Michigan?
Anyone who does not want to contribute to that very small amount of money is able to opt out of that.
And with abortion back in the spotlight with that case before the Supreme Court, Mr. Trump has mused publicly about a federal abortion ban, though Lara Trump says the RNC won't weigh in before November.
Donald Trump has talked about the idea of maybe a 15 or a 16-week ban recently. Would you advise him to stay out of this issue from a federal perspective?
I think if you asked him now, I think he would say he agrees with allowing the states to decide.